Mm. Okay. Oh wait, how's it, Joshy? I'm only gonna start analyzing in about like 8 minutes or so. Oh wait. Fuck. Okay, I see we got 7 viewers now. How's it going, guys? Is everyone well? We are going to start very shortly. Just want to wait like 4 more minutes. How's it, Duncan? I'm good, boy. Just a little bit sick. But yeah, life goes, eh? I'm already getting better. Thanks, dog. I appreciate it. Yo, I need to fucking get premium again. This shit's fucking annoying. Okay, let's get started with the shit. So first thing that I'm looking at is this weekend chart. I think market closed around about here in this area. So we down $170, 1,700 pips on NASDAQ when market opens. It's going to have a gap to the downside. And for news next week, Monday there's nothing. Tuesday we have no news. Wednesday we have CPI. This is going to be very interesting. This is going to be a very big CPI because it's going to be the monthly CPI and the yearly CPI. So this is going to be very big and it's going to move the market a lot. So the forecast is 0.2%, 0.3%, 2.5%. Previous ones also adding up. So yeah, we'll worry about that when it gets closer to the time. Thursday we have unemployment claims, but that's not really going to do too much to the market. Friday we have these things. I think this one might be quite important. Prelim GDP. Release date delayed by 15 days. Okay, cool. Okay, let's get to analyzing, guys. So we are in a very, very nasty accumulation here. I want to see the market take this liquidity here. This gap is also just very hectic. We haven't really tapped into it too much. But yeah, this is going to be my main POI. I want the market to go down. Can see it happening, coming down up until there. Okay, let me take this away and let's get started. So on the daily, I'm not seeing anything too crazy. This gap definitely is going to be used for something. Let's make this one gold. It looks like an NWOG. Not sure if it is. Yeah, this is an NWOG. This is a pretty crazy NWOG right there. For the daily, I'm not really seeing anything too crazy. I wanna see us take this liquidity throughout the week, and then maybe we can go long from there. We'll have to see how the market reacts. So now I'm gonna dive down to the 4 hour. Okay, so just looking at it real quick, not doing any more analyzing from now. I can see market coming down here, taking those liquidities there, coming back up to this zone, and then maybe from there we can take that out. That's very possible. This could happen. We already tapped into this, so it could just go straight down as well. Gonna have to see how the market reacts, but I'm definitely leaning more bearish for the week, obviously because of the war as well. Shit's getting pretty hectic. I don't know if you guys follow the news like that, but the war is getting really bad, and it looks like it's only gonna get worse from here, and more people are gonna get involved. Here's another NWOG. This is a crazy gap. This is when the war started, this NWOG here. So we can use this as a confluence also to go short. Okay. Yeah, so what would be ideal is if we can come back up here, tap into this NWOG, tap into this, and then take this red line here. Where's this? Yeah, this. Because I've been looking at this for a long time now. I wanted it to come tap down here, and then maybe, you know, we can catch a move to all-time high, but obviously we're gonna have to see how the market reacts. Is another fair value gap we can tap into and go short from there. As we saw here, market is going to go down 1,700 pips on market open, which is probably going to be around this area here. It's not going to be too big, but it is quite a big move. So now I'm going to dive down a little bit deeper. I'm going to go to the 1 hour chart, reset chart view. Okay, this is going to be nice. This could be very good if you can get a tap in here, go short from there. Let's make this one purple. Sorry guys, I know the colors on my chart is like very confusing. I haven't fixed that yet, but I'll do that another time. Actually, let me go back to the 4 hour. Let me draw my fib real quick. Now the chart's going to start looking very messy. So I'm gonna go to, we're looking for shorts this week, so I'm gonna take my fib, draw it there, and this actually looks very promising. Where the fuck do I change this fib? There we go. So as you guys can see, this fair value gap and the fib level line up perfectly. So what would be ideal to see throughout the week is coming back up here, taking this value gap, and then we can maybe see shorts going even deeper than that. This is a very simple analysis. It's nothing crazy. Well, I mean, we already have zones here, so I'm just going to keep these blocks in. This is going to be our resistance zone for the week in this area here. And then, yeah, guys, we are so due for a tap down here. It hasn't happened, and this was 20 November. So, yeah. Even this fib level adds up to this NWOG and this fair value gap, so you can even see the market. Oh fuck, that's the wrong arrow. You can even see the market come into this fib level. What level is that? That's the 61%, and then from there we can take this liquidity here. So I've been waiting for this to happen very, very long, because once we take this out, we can look to go long and maybe take all-time high. Obviously with the war, it's very unpredictable now, but yeah, this is the analysis. It's very simple, guys. This is what I'm seeing. I'm gonna see the market come in here and then go back down, or to this level here. This one would be more ideal, because as the market's moving now, you can see it, there's not lots of movement. So let's check, where is, okay, here's last week Monday. As you guys can see from last week Monday, the chart didn't really fucking do anything, which is bullshit. It just accumulated. So I'm waiting for this. This is definitely what I'm going to look at, and then as you go short. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Obviously, if it does go there, I'm not going to straight enter a trade. You wait how the market reacts always, and check if you can get any more confluences. Yo. Okay, let's look a little bit at oil. Oh my fuck. That is crazy. Wow. The oil's definitely gonna go to $100 a barrel. When was this? In February. It already had a huge pump. So this shit's probably gonna just fucking rip straight up all the way. This is fucking crazy, and this was before market open. Let's see if we can check oil weekend chart. That's fucking insane. Why is this price so weird? Why is it on 9,400 and this is on? What are they measuring this by? Anyways, that's plus 500. Wait. But this is crude oil, what the fuck? Why is it different prices? Oh, I'm on a monthly right now. Let's check 30 minutes. Where's Friday? This is so weird. Oh, here's Friday. So this shit's gonna fucking, when market opens, this shit's gonna fucking go straight up. Wow, that's crazy. Let's check gold. Yeah, I don't trade gold because, I mean, look at this. This is just fucking crazy. It's literally just an uptrend. And I saw quite a while ago that a lot of analysts are saying that gold's gonna go to $7,000 in before 2030. So let's see if they're right. I can definitely see it happening with all the fucked up shit that's going on in the world right now. Let's check US30. So US30 already broke the accumulation that we were sitting in since Jan. So that's a very good sign for NASDAQ, Because on NASDAQ we haven't broken yet. We need to break this accumulation. Maybe we can even come lower to this zone. That would be fucking crazy, because I've been waiting to enter long trades or swing trades for NASDAQ for a very long time, and I just can't get an entry. So yeah, this is a very simple analysis, guys. Just gonna go over it quickly one more time on the 1 hour chart. And then my trading view broke. GG's. Okay, so we've got a fair value gap here. I want to see us tap into this and then come down to the other liquidity I showed you guys. Where is it? Why is my chart geeking out? What the fuck? Yeah, I want to see this get taken out. As you guys can see, it lines up perfectly on the 38% level of the FIB. Got a nice value gap there. And what's this? So NWOG up here, can even tap into that. So this is gonna be, we want to see market come in this area here, either here and go down, or we want to see market tap into this FIB level, into this NWOG, and go down from there. This buy zone, as you can see here, I put this in fucking long ago. Yeah, I pulled this buy zone probably when market was like here or here in October, and we still haven't gotten the full tap here that we need. This hasn't been filled yet. You can see there is some sort of resistance here, so that would be fucking ideal. Low-key, I think we can have a good week, but that's what I'm looking at. I don't think the market will come up here. We're gonna look for it to come there, down, there, down. Very simple. But for the daily trades, probably tomorrow on Monday, we might catch buys just so we can go to our sell zones. Let me check S&P real quick. Do I have it on here? Bitcoin's not doing much. And when you guys do analyze on TradingView, please just make sure that the price adds up with MetaTrader, because you guys will see a lot of these. This is all supposed to be S&P, but I can promise you a lot of them have different prices, so just make sure it adds up. For NASDAQ, I'm using capital.com. That's the best to analyze NASDAQ on, and the price is accurate towards yeah, here's US 500 with capital.com. I like analyzing on capital.com because they're the most accurate I've found. So this pretty much looks like NASDAQ, just a little bit more clean. Okay, as you guys can see, there's crazy liquidity here, but it already got taken. Oh, this was November, it's pretty long ago. Okay, sick. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you guys are ready to have a good week. We're gonna absolutely smash it. This is what I'm seeing for NASDAQ. It's very fucking simple. Probably gonna catch longs tomorrow so that we can go to our selling zones. Market will probably open 530, 460. Market's gonna open around here, so we can maybe use this NWOG as a buy to market's gonna open around here. So there we go. There you have it, guys. Have a good Sunday. I'll check you guys tomorrow.